Hi, this is Extend Office. How to freeze rows or columns to make them always visible even when you scroll away. Let's continue watching and find out. To freeze the top row in Excel, go to View tab. Click Freeze Panes. Freeze top row. The first row is frozen right away. Since row 1 to row 4 are my header rows, to pin 4 rows on the top, select the first cell in the row below row 4, which is the cell A5, or just select the row below the row you want to freeze. Then click Freeze Panes. Freeze panes. The first 4 rows are frozen immediately. If you have several worksheets and you want to freeze the top row, select the first cell in row 2. Then, click Tools plus, Worksheet, Freeze Panes Multiple Worksheets. The top rows of multiple sheets are frozen. To freeze the first 4 rows across sheets, select the first cell in row 5, or just select the whole row 5. Then on Tools plus tab, click Worksheet, Freeze Panes Multiple Worksheets. The top 4 rows of all worksheets are pinned in no time. To freeze the leftmost column, click View, Freeze Panes, Freeze First Column. Now the leftmost column is now visible even when you scroll to the right. Since I have a 2-column header here, to lock the first 2 columns, select the first cell in column C or the whole column C. Then on View tab, click Freeze Panes, Freeze Panes. The first 2 columns are frozen now. To freeze columns across all worksheets in the active workbook. For example, I also want to freeze the first 2 columns. Select the first cell in column C. Then click Tools plus, Worksheet, Freeze Panes Multiple Worksheets. The same columns in all worksheets of the active workbook are frozen immediately. In our example, we have both row headers and column headers. To pin the top 4 rows and first 2 columns, select the cell below the row 4 and to the right of column B, which is the cell C5. Then, click View, Freeze Panes, Freeze Panes. The specific rows and columns are frozen right away. Here I have 2 worksheets and I want to freeze the top 4 rows and first 2 columns across the sheets. Select the cell C5, which is the cell below the last row, and to the right of the last column you want to freeze. Then click Tools plus, Worksheet, Freeze Panes Multiple Worksheets. The exact rows and columns in all worksheets are frozen right away. If you do not want to freeze rows and columns in the current worksheet anymore, tab View, Freeze Panes, and Freeze Panes. It's as simple as that. To unfreeze rows and columns across all worksheets in the current workbook, click Tools plus, Worksheet, and Freeze Panes Multiple Worksheets. All rows and columns are unfrozen in no time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.